Hi Fuzzers, we meet again for this new changelog where the focus is on Fuzzy RTOS and more particularly on the communication between it and Fuzzy Studio. A few new features have been added to this new release, which is sure to please our customers. So let's go! We begin this changelog with a long-awaited arrival, a new connection wizard for Fuzzy RTOS. This means, quite simply, the announced disappearance of Fuzzy RTOS launcher for future versions, which until now has been necessary for any connection to a real robot. Now more intuitive and requiring less effort to set it up, the wizard immediately suggests the robot controller lets you view and access the different Fuzzy RTOS available on your network and automatically configures the MQTT bridge. The idea behind that is to eliminate most manual intervention during connection, like setting up IP addresses. The wizard also offers troubleshooting assistance should a connection problem arise. Until now, Fuzzy Studio was unable to communicate with an external environment like tools, sensors, and incoming and outgoing flows via a PLC and the supplied exchange table. Today, we are delighted to announce the compatibility of Fuzzy RTOS with robot internal I/Os on ABB and Fanuc controllers via the REST API. This means that for the time being, for these two brands, a PLC is no longer the only way to control or check external equipment, such as tooling of sensors, as long as it is wired to the robot's I/Os. Please note that this feature is currently in beta mode, so modifications may occur in the next version, to stabilize the API of course. Your feedback is then warmly welcomed to support us. This feature improves the handling of robot tools as trajectory parameters. Gone are the days of requiring the specific tool and TCP couple attached to the robot to generate trajectories. Now users can configure this directly before generating trajectories, streamlining the process and eliminating unnecessary steps. A button also lets you define the tool actually in use to generate the selected trajectory. Even if the selected tool doesn't appear visually, its TCP is represented. You can therefore generate as many toolpaths as possible and associate them with as many TCPs as desired. Ideal for applications where tooling changes occur on similar trajectories. To make the transform editor easier to use, a new smart dropdown list has been included. This new dropdown separates selected elements from other elements to find objects quickly. Additionally, a convenient search bar has been integrated, facilitating effortless discovery of desired objects. Moreover, users can now easily filter out waypoints, simplifying the list for smoother interaction. To conclude this changelog, it is now accessible in French, mirroring the availability of the entire software interface in the same language. To access it, Fuzzy must be set, of course, to French. We also welcome several new robot models to our library, ready for immediate use in your application, like Yaskawa GP50, UR20, UR30, and several Fanuc robot models. This concludes our changelog for Fuzzy Logic version 4.10. Feel free to comment and like this video if you enjoyed it, and as always, follow us on our networks to keep up to date with the latest news and events. See you very soon.